Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Bing. Sign into your Microsoft account if you want preferences to persist. Once signed in, look to the top right. Click the three-dot menu or gear icon to reveal options. Choose Settings and then tap Language Preferences so you can change display language and search results language separately. This first step puts you in the exact control panel where the rest of the changes happen, and it prevents confusing temporary changes that don't stick across devices. Now that you're in Language Preferences, choose your display language to change interface labels and menus. Select Search Languages to influence result localization. If your desired language isn't listed, click Add Language, search the name, then add it. Make sure to drag languages into the order you prefer because Bing uses the top entries as priority for search results. Once done, review both sections to confirm you adjusted both interface and search behavior, so results match your language expectations. Finish by clicking Save or Apply so Bing stores your new language settings. Without that step, changes may vanish. Then refresh the page and try a few searches or check the menu text to verify the interface switched correctly. If the change doesn't appear, make sure to clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or restart the browser. These steps usually resolve syncing hiccups. If issues persist, confirm you changed both display and search languages, rather than just one setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.